Method part 23, baby. Let's go. We have our relative strength index and our commodity challenge index, right? Both indicators set to default. We wait until the purchase deadline is at the last 5 seconds, right? Candle time set to 5 seconds. And even though we have 10,000 here, we're still trading with $2, right? And we wait. Infinite trading method, infinite money, infinite everything, infinite knowledge, infinite love, infinite spirituality, infinite gratitude. So here we buy for 2 and we wait. So if 2 loses, we do 4. If 4 loses, we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19. 19 loses 41. 41 loses 87. 87 loses 184. 184 loses 391. 391 loses 875. And if 875 loses, then we do 1910. Like we're going back, we're time traveling to 1910. Crazy, ain't it? Anyways, infinite trading method. And this one lost. So we're going to trade for 10 minutes. Is it 10 minutes or 20 minutes? I think we'll do 10 minutes, yeah? Because 10 marks completion. So 10:21 currently. Our first trade, we're going to stop at 10:31. Yay. Infinite trading method. So we sell here because both indicators are under their halfway points respectively. If they're above their halfway point, you buy. If they're under their halfway point, you sell, right? Simply put, simply go, simple does it. Simple is the best, right? And as you can see, it's already going where it's supposed to go, in profits. And with this trading method, there's nothing that could stop you. You could literally make money forever. This is binary trading, and this is a binary trading business. This is how you trade from now on. You don't need to go through the hard technical analysis of trying to read this. This does not, it does what it wants. It doesn't do what you say, bro. It does what it wants. Every day of the week it does what it wants. It doesn't do what you can predict it to do. Right? Understand that. Understand what the market is. The market isn't a fucking, so here we buy for 2 because both indicators are above their respective halfway points. So which means they're up, right? If they're up, you buy. If they're down, you sell. You don't say, well, you know what, it oversold here, let me sell, right? No, you buy, motherfucker, because it says up. It already has the strength for up. Right? Even though a vehicle is slowing down, if it's going 400 miles per hour, it's still going to go forward, not back. It's not going to stop and go down. It's going to keep pushing P. Momentum is what you call that. And understanding momentum in the market, you'll understand that even though that it oversold and it wants to come back down, it can't really because it has momentum pushing it, right? It doesn't even matter. None of what I'm saying matters because that's what I learned from days and nights on trading this market. If it's up, you buy. If it's down, you sell. And you wouldn't win all the time, and it's okay not to win all the time, right? So here you buy again for $2 and you wait, sir. My kind sir, you wait, kind sir. So yes, infinite trading method, part 23. Right. And this one is going to be a dub right here, and then we just go back down to 2 and we wait. Do not get greedy. Do not try to do 100. Do not try to do 500. Stick to 2, bro. It would add up. It would add up. It would add up. Stick to the plan. You feel me? Stick to the plan. There's no reason to, bro. We're buying here for $2 again. Let's go. Let's go. That's how it's supposed to be. Let's fucking go, bro. Jesus Christ, man. Okay, that's a loss and that's okay. Alright. We sell here for 4 and we chill the fuck out. My Negro. Wait, is that racist because I'm black? Saying Negro is kind of wild, you know. Nah, Negro is okay. That's the. Okay, I'm quiet a bit, you feel me? Just waiting on the markets. Yes, sir. So that's okay. 456. That's a loss. A beautiful loss. 6. So here we would have $2.39 back, which is amazingly beautiful, sir. Kind sir, would you be willing to like, comment, and subscribe, please? Kind sir, or kind madam, would you be willing to like, comment, and subscribe on this video? Show some love, you feel me? Love is what pushes us forward. Love is everything. Love is all that we need. So here we go to 19 and we wait. Let's see the result of this trade. Let's see. 18 seconds. You can do anything you want in this life. Anything and everything you want in this life by thinking about it and just doing it. Just do it like Nike. Just do it. Just do it. And when you just do it, you wouldn't know what the fuck you're doing, right? But that's the idea. The idea is to jump into things not knowing what you're doing, and by doing that thing that you don't know what you're doing every single day, you'll eventually know exactly what you're doing. Isn't that funny, eh? So we buy here for 19 and we wait. If 19 loses, my friend, we do 41, eh? 41 is also good. 41 is amazingly beautiful. And 19 looks as if it's going down, which I do not trust because we have movement. And with okay, we have downward movement, which is also good. Ha 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 ha. I knew it would have gone back down because it was right here taking its damn time. Anywho, nice. We have movement, sir. We have movement. You better come back down. I doubt this is going to go back up. And even though it goes back up, I know for a fact that it would bounce back off the top. But I do not care whatever the indicators say is what I do, and whatever I do is what the indicators say. So my indicators say to buy, I buy. I do not worry about whether or not it bounces back. I do not worry. I do what my indicators say because my indicators know what they're up to, right? When you go against the indicators is when you lose. You always respect the indicators because here it's very easy to assume that this is a support and a resistance line, right? And technically it is. And this would come back down in a few minutes or not. But you do what the indicators say all the time, regardless of how you feel, regardless of what you know you do, what your indicators say, mademoiselle. How much trades are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have one more trade for the end of this video. So I urge you, infinite trading method, part 23. You can like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Share this video to Facebook, Instagram, share it to your friends, let them know that, hey, there's a way to multiply wealth on the internet and just chill. $1.86 a minute is a lot of profits. You could even do $3 and do $2 a minute. So $1 a minute is $60 an hour. Who doesn't want $60 an hour? You get it? There's no more reasons to struggle to make money. I'm here. I got you, baby. I got you. I'm all that you need. Everything that you need. Right? Um, so I said that this would be our last trade, but we are in a loss. And we never, ever, ever end in a loss. We can't lose. What is losing? Bro, we're gods. Through trial and error is where we become great. Everything is possible through trial and error. Through trial and error, everything is possible. We buy here because both indicators are above their respective halfway points. And even if they're not, we just do 9 and we wait. Right? So, I assure you that this trading method works. As you can see, it works. It's infinite trading method, infinite money, infinite everything, infinite sauce, infinite. Bro, get some bread, bro. Whichever binary options trading website you're using, it works. It works on Pocket Options. It works on IQ Options. It works on digital options. As long as you have your RSI and your CCI, it works, right? So here, we're in a $456 loss, and we just have to do $2.39 profit in order for this to win, right? So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Both indicators are up. We buy and we wait for the best result. So if 9 loses, we do 19, and so on and so forth, my good sir. 63% session change. It's currently 10:31 a.m. in the morning, and the markets are moving like crazy. They're moving. Nothing's stopping you. Everything is moving forward. You feel me? It's only up from here, my boy. And 9 is about to lose, which is a-okay. It's amazing. So good. So here in this one, you see that 19 and 1 is 20 and 1. That's 34. We have 38. We made $4.22 off this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the idea. So we sell here for 19 and so we wait. If 19 loses, we do 41. If 41 loses, we do 87. Right? Makes sense? Cut this. Oh, that looks good. The hue, the green and the red hue. Is it going to win? Like, comment, subscribe. Comment and tell me if you think this is going to win. Pause the video, don't cheat, and tell me if you think this is going to win. Of course it does. Haha. So this is Infinite Trading Method, part 23. This has been your host, Shamoy GG.